Hey gang, Mark Sweeney here at Austin Dental Spa. You may notice right off the bat that I'm not speaking normally. The Austin allergies finally have gotten to me after 44 years. My allergist friends used to hear me boast that I'm not allergic to anything, and they said, just wait, your time is coming. Well, my time has come. All of a sudden, between end of the day Monday and beginning of the day Tuesday, I lost my voice. So Tuesday, this is better than yesterday. Yesterday I couldn't even speak. So everybody got a break around here from me. And so as if that isn't bad enough that I can't hardly talk, Krista's on a liquid only diet, and so a juice cleanse, and so she may faint while we're here today because she starts to eat solid food again tomorrow. So we just want y'all to know we practice what we preach. We don't just tell you how to get healthier. We try all this crazy stuff ourselves. So they asked me if I wanted to do the juice cleanse, and I politely declined. So if you tuned in last week, you know that we talked about 7 ways that straight teeth could improve your life. And you also know that 2 weeks ago, we didn't do Wisdom Wednesday because we won Best Cosmetic Dentist in Austin for the 5th year running. So now we're going to go on with straight teeth since we've kind of introduced that concept. I don't ever move teeth for 44 years intentionally. If teeth move after I've worked on them, it was a total accident. These 2 ladies are Invisalign trained. They're certified to actually move teeth. In case you're wondering what Invisalign are, because we never really talked about it much on Wisdom Wednesday because I never offered it. But now we're offering it at Austin Dental Spa. So they're going to do a little informing of what the heck is Invisalign. So take it away, Dr. Krista.
Mark, thank you so much for that introduction. It was beautiful.
Don't faint. It'll be a first on Wisdom Wednesday.
Oh my gosh. Well, yes, Kirsten and I, we've been moving teeth intentionally for quite some time now. We both love Invisalign and are really passionate about it. So what is it? Invisalign is a process of moving your teeth with clear liners. So that means no brackets, no metal wires, nothing dorky like that. What is Invisalign? It is these thermoplastic retainers that you wear that gradually and slowly, predictably move your teeth. How does it straighten your teeth? It straightens your teeth because we sit down and we create a digital plan, a workflow of how we want your teeth moved. And then we get started. And it usually lasts for about 4 to 7 months. It depends on how we have to move your teeth. What are the benefits of the Invisalign treatment? Well, we touched on that a lot last time. So if you need a good refresher, check out our last video. But healthier smile in total. Less plaque, less bacteria, and you can clean your teeth much better. Kirsten?
So just moving on from that, Krista kind of started to discuss how we start by coming up with a treatment plan with the Invisalign site. And then as she discussed, we start and you get these trays that look like this. And we will place these little attachments on your teeth. And the attachments are what help move the teeth. So you will wear these trays 22 hours a day, and that's what's going to help the process move along the best as possible and get the best result. So you can only take them out whenever you're eating or drinking. And if you're drinking water, you can leave them in. That's fine.
But how about a hot date?
We might make an exception for that, but maybe just don't tell us about it.
Well, actually, we would love to hear about the date.
Hear about the date, but yeah, actually tell us the awkward story about how you took them out to eat. That would be perfect. So then after that, you'll just continue to wear them, and as your process moves along, you'll come in and we'll check, make sure everything is tracking how it should. And by tracking, that means that the aligners are moving along the route as it should. And then at the end of the process, which like Krista said, takes about 4 to 7 months, just depending on the treatment plan, the patient will come in and we will finalize the treatment, and then you'll move from that into retainers, which I have here as well. They basically look exactly like the Invisalign trays do, except you won't have the buttons anymore. So if you have any further questions, you can just ask us whenever you come in. And if you are interested in getting an Invisalign consult, you can call us at any time.
All right. That was very helpful information. And I always give a health tip, as you know. I totally forgot to go into the break room. A friend of mine from California who's a dentist, but she grew up in Hawaii, sent me macadamia nuts recently for doing a favor for her. And so it got me to thinking, go nuts. So I like that inflection. Go nuts, because I looked up macadamia nuts compared to some of the other nuts. They're actually really healthy for you. They've got all kinds of good nutrients in them. And this is a great time of the year with the holidays coming up, with Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas staring us right in the face, to find some of those healthier nuts and try them out, and might improve your life. So that's it for this week's Wisdom Wednesday. We will see you next week, and we'll introduce the theme for October. So see you next week for another version of Wisdom Wednesday.